2017 BMW X3. BMW X3 builds on the success of the original by developing its core competencies while adding new technology to establish new benchmarks for agility, efficiency, and comfort. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, power liftgate, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM CD, MP3 radio, universal garage door opener, power windows, fog lights, rear window defroster, security system, CD player, electronic stability control, trip computer, brake assist, tachometer, HD radio. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience, so stop in for a test drive today.